When you have fabrics that want to unravel as you wash them, it's a good idea to take a stitch that jumps over the edge and overlocks it. So when you go to wash it, it just doesn't turn into that big hairy mess. Even people who like to pre-wash their fabrics, this is something that you can do on the edge of the two cut edges of the purchased fabric before you put it in the wash, and then when it comes out of the dryer, you don't have that big ball of threads. So one of the stitches that works really well is stitch number 22. Notice that it recommends foot 3. So foot 3 has that little red marker that's adjustable, plus it has a little pin in there as well. So let me show you something special about getting this all set up. First off, I like to adjust the little red marker to be even with the pin. So when I run this along the edge of the fabric, I have some place to guide. Plus, when the stitch jumps over or off the edge of the fabric to lock that raw edge, I have something perfectly set up to guide. It does show that the dual feed is engaged, and of course our feed dogs are up, just like it shows. Tension's normal, you really just let it kind of do its thing. But you'll notice that up here, a lot of your stitches have that option where when you stitch, they jump to the right. And as they jump to the right, you'll notice that those stitches are the ones that really will contain that edge. This stitch kind of has a forward and back feel to it, but so simple to use. So all you have to do is just keep the raw edge even with that little adjusted red marker, and it puts the stitch perfectly along that edge. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. What you're really going for is that it has a nice flat finish. So it hasn't curled that fabric, and that's why you don't just use a standard presser foot, because when that stitch goes over, it's going to twist and make it not lay so flat. But that is what the pin inside the foot is doing. It's supporting the stitch as it jumps out into air and keeps it flat as it continues to stitch. So some people will go along the edge when the edges are just singles layers, and then sometimes you can just stitch it all together and even just put the raw edges of both fabrics together and stitch where you need them to be nice and overlocked. So if you don't have a serger yet, this is one of the great stitches, and with the included foot that comes with the Pfaff Expression 3.5 sewing machine.